Welcome to BeWitchy's 100 Spells in 100 Days. This spell is a love spell. It's a self-love spell, actually, and day number 64. So to any sweet food that you like, just simply sprinkle some sugar additionally on top of it. You could even do it with a cup of tea if you really wanted to. And I want you to visualize loving yourself, feeling really good about yourself. You are looking good, you're attractive, you're desirable. That's exactly how you're going to keep seeing yourself. Put yourself up on this massive pedestal. See yourself as a very successful person. You are an empire. So mote it be forever and ever.